ako nagising and ang oras ngayon ay 7:30. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell down below para ma-join na kayo sa #Samnatics Squad. So, let's get started to the video. This video pala is the TikTok. So, kain tayo.
Magtatang po, babae. I agree, napakahirap ng gawin. Pero, kasi, minsan, yun yung paraan niya para malaman niya. Mapaparating sa kanila, you care. Kahit na paano siya gawin.
Batong ice cream pa eh.
Patpang.
Kita mo na inyong habaya to, na nabawa na pumilabot at to.
Hawa na. Kami.
Hayaan magtrabaho mabahay kapag may asawa.
Taon tarong guys.
2019.
Guys. Oh, nga naman ka guys. Ako'y, kita man ko.
Igor, ada na niya ni babay. Arang babay.
Hila guys.
Pagsusuot ng revealing clothes. Agree? Okay na naman. Choice niya yun, the woman. Mahirap yun. No, you should never limit what a woman wants to do. Girls na laging naka-makeup. Medyo ano ako dyan sa...
Hindi ako ano.
Pero talis-talis ni Sud pag ilaw.
Ilong. Talay na siya ilong.
Mura magkatunay artista itong lalak ng makla.
Oo, 24 hours ko naman ito.
Malapit na ako. End ko na lang yung video.
Thank you rin po sa inyong lahat.
I gave you my heart.
Maliligo na tayo kasi hindi tayo naligo. So, yeah. Tapos kapag natapos ako maligo, gawin natin ang TikTok video. So, bis ako, ay maligo ako din, magbis ako. Then, punta na tayo sa video. So, kita-kits tayo sa video. Tapos ako maligo, hindi ako pag-lifting, sanin ako. Hindi na makita. Kasi orange to kasi. Tapos sa cheeks rin, like, para na ba yun? Makita niyo naman. Ay, bilat. So, tapos na ako maligo. Naka-pising ako. Ito ang outfit ko today. Buhol and then shirts. Ito lang ang outfit ko today. And nakapag-lip tint. Tinan ako. Kita niyo ba ang color? Natin yung brightness. So, ito. Kita niyo naman, guys. Ito ang color. So, add natin a little bit. It's this, I'm using a lip tint. This one. Kailangan ng brightness. I'm using this BA cheek lip cheek and lip tint. This one. BA siya. Shade Thirsty. So, ito ang shade niya. Ito yung shade niya, guys. Oh, wait. There, orange. Ito yung shade. So, gamitin na natin para sa cheeks. This is sayang naman. There. And nailang tayo sa lips. Iba natin kasi parang hindi. Anyways, what's up guys? Balik lang tayo.
I gave you my heart.
So hi guys. So, nabalik na ako kasi man ako kinuha. So, magkita na siya, guys. Yan siyang nagpaka-orange. Wait. Ito na lang. So, mag-TikTok na video na tayo, guys. So, let's get started to the video. So guys, I'm gonna start a video already. So I'm recording the view record. So it's recording already. Let's see if it's recording back. So it's recording. Wait. So it's recording. So let's click on TikTok app. So here, this one is TikTok. So this, when you open it like that. So, and then here, when you see in the first, you can see this. You can see the two names here, the following and for you. And also in the bottom, you can see of course this one, you can see something look like a planet here, then a plus sign, and then a message logo there, and a human there. So here in this side, you can see the people's account here. Let's click her account here. So this is her account. You can add her like this. You can add her. If you add her, it will have a check, and then like this. If you want to unfollow her, you can unfollow. So if you wanna text message her, you can message, like you can say hi, and here you can send to your friends in TikTok, and you can also share to message, Facebook Messenger, SMS, email, Twitter, and other. Then you can copy link, report, and you can block, and you can send message also. So like that lang. And then you can react also to her video. You can heart. You can click the heart if you want to react to her video. You can also comment. Let's comment her. Let's say hi. You can also heart your something. You can also heart a comment like here. Things mo wait. You can heart it like that. Then you can also, it's just the same. If you wanna click this one, you can also share something. It's just the same a while ago. And here you can click the music that she was using. So hello. So like this music, if you wanna use this music, you may click this video something here. So you can see me here. So later lang, gamitin natin ito mamaya.
400 on the dash, 55 bills.
You can scroll it down if you want. You can. It's just the same with the following. No, it's just like this. You can just roll it like this. You can just swipe it up. So yeah. Then here in the planet part here, what kind of planet is this? You can search your favorite idols in TikTok, or you wanna search someone in TikTok that you know, like, example your friends or someone else. You can search here, like let's search. You can also search songs. So let's search Dalagang Pilipina here. This is the person's account, mga name na Dalagang Pilipina, then sounds here, mga sounds sa Dalagang Pilipina, then mga hashtags. Yeah, so you can exit here if you don't like already. You can search mga people's and music account there. Sobrahan lang tong Tinder, okay lang to. Okay lang yan. And then mga challenge na trending ngayon, like hashtag PH new voice, hashtag plot twist PH, hashtag Met Gala Style, hashtag Nostalgia Trip, hashtag Sun Lips, hashtag Self Crowd, hashtag Kill This Love, hashtag Create With Love, hashtag TikTok Heart Day, hashtag Winter Storm, and other more. And hashtag Dalang Filipina and other more. Pahialangan, we will read it all. This is a lot, man. It's still down there. No, it's still a lot. So, it's not na lang read that. So, you can just see it if you download TikTok. So, download TikTok right now. Then, when you click this plus sign, this one is hello. You can see me here.
Ang sarap po, tita.
So, right here, you can see me here. So, this one is the front cam of the TikTok, or the front when you will take your videos. So, this one. When you will add a sound, you can click this one, add a sound, and then you can choose here what do you like to be good. Let's do one TikTok video. So I will show you what to do this. So let's do this song. Again, is it again? It's logging my phone. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Sorry for my voice. So here, the song is there ready. In the side, I'll show you first what's in the side. Here there's flip, there is speed, there is beautify, there is timer, and there is trim. In the flip, you can flip if you want back or front cam. So I'm gonna use front cam, actually not really back, not really the back cam. So also in the speed, you can get this off if you don't want to see it, or you can click it and you want to see it. And then you can click beautify. The beautify is there's mga filter here, mga filter. Then you can beautify yourself if you want slimmer face. I look weird. And I will always use 60 for my face, slim of my face, because I love it. And you can also click this if you want summary there. Pantay natin ng 62. There. It's guys. Sobrang hirap ito. There. Then also you can big your eyes. Bigging your eyes. If you want to bigger it up. Okay ba? Comment ang below kung okay. Pero parang hindi siya bagay sa akin. So, 60 lang. There. The filter that I will use is, the filter that I'm using right now is F3. So actually I will use F2 and F3 for doing my TikTok video, because I really don't like to use mga other filters. So beside here, you can, at the left there is effects. My favorite effect here is the face. I'm gonna use mga effects of face, like this one. No, this is not my. I want the eyeglasses form, this one. This is my favorite effect. Hello. This is my favorite effect from the all effects here. I love this effect. So this is my favorite effect, so let's use this na lang. There's more effects here that you can choose the hot, the new. This is mga new na gipagawa sa TikTok. So let's use this na lang. Let's use this that way.
Ordinary lotion leaves skin sticky.
Swipe.
All of the fairness and none of the stickiness.
Wait sa ako na
Choose the new Vaseline Fresh and Fair Gel Lotion.
So like that. So let's use this later. So at the 0.1x, this one is faster, but when you click it, it's when you play it, it's slow. So let's it. So yeah, like that. And then when you click the check, it's slow. It's slow siya. It's just the same with a 0.5x, but the 0.1x is faster. So let's click this. So like that. Let's look at this. Like that. Then you click the 1x. It's just normal. Just like that. Sorry for my face. And then 2 times it's slow. It's fast. I mean no, it's slow but it's fast when you play it. So so here. So like that siya. Then when you click 3 times, it's slow. It's slower than the 2 times. So. Oh my goodness. So, there na lang siya. Yan na lang. Let's exit. So, let's create a TikTok video that is really perfect or really nice than that one. So, yeah. So, guys, you wanna see my video? So, here is it.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
This one.
Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know.
Here, there's mga effects. You can add effects. Like, I'm gonna add effects.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
You can also add another here. You can add more here.
Love your imperfections, every
Heart. There's many effects here. So you're gonna click it, save. So it will be saved already. And you can also select covers. So, yeah, like that. And you can also select
beautiful,
filters.
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful angel. Love
Then
your
stickers. And
imperfections,
when you click
every
the next, it's the one that you will write. You will describe your video. If you will describe your video like, please like this, like that. Please like this. Please like this video. Please like this video. So yeah. Then you click this post. So yeah, that's all in the TikTok.
Kilala ko crush mo. Huhulaan ko.
So
May dalawa.
this message
Pero-
one is the one that the one who likes your video, the one who follow you, and the one who kanang you mention you in the TikTok and your comments. So let's read the comments later. Then here's my profile. It's logging here. Here's my profile, my picture, and Andre and Kalachar is my background. So here it posted. I know the other one. Yeah. So this is my account. I have only 12 videos because my other account was I don't know. I forgot it. So yeah. I have a new account. My account before was 1K, now 62 na lang. So yeah. Bye guys! Let's go back to the ordinary video.
I gave you my heart.
Saw the video already, what's inside the TikTok. So I hope you install the TikTok and you will enjoy it, and you will also don't forget to follow me on TikTok, and also don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications button below, and also don't forget to